Whether you're designing a corporate presentation, school project, or something for your side hustle, today's tutorial will help you create sleek, customizable layouts using SlideMaster. Today, we're diving into SlideMaster to create customized layouts. Sounds boring, right? Well, it's not. We'll show you how to create reusable layouts that fit your style, merge and fine-tune shapes like a design pro, add dynamic picture placeholders, and make sure everything stays perfectly aligned. This step-by-step guide is your ticket to saving time, creating professional designs, and never having to repeat tedious formatting tasks, again, keeping your presentations looking sharp. Alright, first things first, let's head over to SlideMaster View, the secret layer of PowerPoint where all the magic happens. Scroll down to the last layout and insert a new one. Uncheck the title and footers to keep it clean. Next, it's time to add a shape. Head to the Shapes menu and select a circle. Make sure the circle is larger than the layout height. Drag it over to the left side of the slide, almost halfway across. Adjust it into an oval shape. Now, for the fine-tuning, select the oval, go to the Shape Format tab, and click Rotate, then More Options. This opens the Format Shape panel, where you can adjust the rotation precisely. My oval is rotated to -40 degrees, but your rotation may differ depending on your initial adjustments. Alright, duplicate your layout, and let's get to work with the first version that has the oval. First, hide that oval shape. Now, let's insert 3 rectangles. One goes along the left margin, just outside the layout. One at the top, right up against the margin. And the third one goes at the bottom, also hugging the margin. It's like we're building the fence of a slide playground. Select all 3 rectangles, head over to the Shape Format tab, and merge them using the Union option. Unhide the oval shape, then select both the oval and the merged rectangles. Head back to Merge Shapes and select Fragment. This breaks the design into multiple, smaller shapes. Remove the unwanted outer shapes and keep only the ones inside the layout. You're basically creating PowerPoint art at this point. Now, for the real art, duplicate the layout again. Copy the oval from the original layout and paste it back. Adjust the pasted oval to your liking. Once that's done, duplicate the layout again. You'll need the merged shapes later. In this new duplicate, delete the oval. Return to the first layout with the merged and oval shapes. Select all the shapes, go to Merge Shapes, and choose Fragment again. Remove all unnecessary pieces, keeping only the desired shape. Copy this new shape and paste it into the layout that only has the merged shape. Remove the outlines as we don't need them. Switch to Normal View to preview your work so far. Looking good. Back in SlideMaster View, drag the 2 merged shapes to the top to avoid confusion. Delete any unused layouts. Trust me, no one needs those. Now, hide the smaller merged shape temporarily. Go to the SlideMaster tab and insert a picture placeholder. Make it larger than the shape. Send it to the back. While the picture placeholder is still selected, also select the shape. Always remember to select the picture placeholder first. Go to Merge Shapes and click Intersect. This creates a custom picture placeholder. Here's something you might notice. In normal view, when you insert an image, the image might cover the shape even after hitting Reset. The shape doesn't move to the front and it can't be repositioned. Let's fix that. Return to SlideMaster. Hide the picture placeholder temporarily. Rename it for better organization. Then insert a text placeholder and position it over the shape. Now, here's the fun part. Select the text placeholder, go to the Home tab, still in SlideMaster view, change the font size to 1. In shape format, set text fill and text outline to no fill. Now delete the text in the placeholder. It will remain invisible. Send the text placeholder to the back, then select it along with the shape. Go to Merge Shapes and choose Intersect. This creates a new transparent shape. Add a color to it and adjust the transparency. Back in normal view, hit Reset. Your shape now appears on top of the image. Now it's time to add some titles and text placeholders. In SlideMaster, recheck the title option and adjust it to fit your layout. Add text placeholders where you want specific information. Delete default text, bullet points if you don't need them, or leave them if you prefer. Switch to normal view and start adding your content. Remember to hit Reset after entering your text to ensure everything matches the SlideMaster design. If you encounter issues selecting the picture icon for an image, temporarily hide or delete the shape placeholder, select the image, then hit Reset to bring the shape back. Now for the fun part, let's create a dark version of your layout. Go back to SlideMaster, duplicate your layout, and change the background to a darker color. Make sure all the text and shapes are visible against the new background. We don't want any hidden shapes. Switch to normal view to apply your changes. Now you have both light and dark modes. Give them clear names for easy selection. Always make changes in SlideMaster. If you adjust something in normal view and like the result, avoid hitting reset. It will revert everything to the master layout in the SlideMaster view. With these steps, you've created a versatile and professional layout in SlideMaster. You can now seamlessly switch between light and dark modes and ensure all your elements are perfectly aligned. So if you're tired of the same old default templates and want to create something unique that'll stand out in any presentation, hit that subscribe button and give the bell a ring.